We are in the middle of a global crisis where innumerable lives have been lost and uncertainty about the future is at its peak. The economy is crashing. The rich are fearing death out of this disease, while the poor are fearing the same death out of starvation. All in all, we are in a chaotic situation where mostly we are all fearing our own mind. But what if I told you that there was a way of protecting yourselves from this virus? Yes, you heard me right. Welcome back to the New Age Yogi. In the next 5 minutes, I am going to disclose one way in which you can save yourself as well as the people around you. So please stay tuned. Now, do you feel that the virus is outside you somewhere? What if I told you that that was a myth? No virus, disease, or suffering in the world can be only present outside you. If it is present outside you, believe you me, it is bound to be present inside you as well. So now let's take a disease like cancer, for example. Do you have bad cells in your body present right now? Yes, you do. But are you suffering from those bad cells? No, you aren't. That is because the good cells in your body have outnumbered the bad cells. But when your bad cells start working, duplicating, multiplying, these cells become cancerous. They are stimulated to work against you. When Sri Krishna had eaten dirt and Ma Yashoda made him open his mouth, she saw the entire universe in it. The same way, we are the children of the Creator and cannot be any different from it. The universe pre-exists within us. Before moving any further, I would like to explain two terms with you. One is low vibration and the other is high vibration. Now let's understand low vibration, for example. What causes the state of low vibration? Low vibration is when you are not at ease. That is where disease manifests. Dis-ease, not at ease. And when are we not at ease? We are not at ease when we are anxious, when we are fearful, when we are not feeling good, when we are sad, afraid, when we are scared, when we have uncertainty. These are what causes low vibration. Now the same way, what causes high vibrations? Whenever we are happy, whenever we feel abundant, whenever we feel grateful, whenever we feel that we do not have to worry about the future, whenever we feel secured, that is what causes high vibrations. It is important to understand that any disease does not occur in the body. It actually first occurs in the mind, because the mind creates these low vibrations, which are favorable conditions for any disease to flourish. Today, a disease called coronavirus is affecting all our lives and creating fear. But this fear can make your body a host for other diseases to flourish. So how do we protect ourselves from this disease? It is important to know that even though our doors are shut, our hearts need to be wide open. Even though the borders are sealed, it is important to open our eyes to the gruesome reality of what this disease came here to do, which is to create fear and make our body its habitat. We have to put a barricade around ourselves. And the simplest way of doing it is by putting a lockdown on our minds first against the pain and the paranoia this pandemic is causing us. When we are washing our hands, it is also important to rinse off the emotional turmoil this disease is bringing us. Distance yourselves from knowing about each and every death that is happening around the world. Distance yourself from checking your mobile phones and try being present in the moment in your own reality right now. While it is important to share information, it is equally important to share love and abundance. What will truly save us from this pandemic is having a mind without fear and a heart full of love. Friends, this is the survival of the fittest, and the only ones having high vibrations are going to survive through this. From today, let's ensure that even though the world around us is in a state of confusion, chaos, and constantly being fed with negativity, we are and we promise to be in a state of calmness, composure, and clarity. Guys, this too shall pass.